The symptoms are pretty straightforward. When we put the car's parking brake on and pull the lever to release the parking brake does not fully release. Parking brake stays on. Step 1, make sure it's in park. Make sure you're on a level surface. Make sure the brake pedal is fully released. Make sure you're on a level surface. Check that you have a little prying tool and the stabilizer Stabilis made in Germany bar that we'll link in the description. Notch right there. Let's pick this out with a screwdriver. It should just pop right off. Like so. 2 fingers, pops right off. Likewise, there's a little metal thingy there. Doesn't matter if you scratch it, because we're getting rid of it. Takes a little patience, but eventually you'll get it. There we go. The extended part is on the bottom, the other part goes towards the top like so. So now we'll unpackage the new one. Can double check them. This one has a little metal brackets already installed. And we just go under. With the big part of the hydraulic. Find this little ball and push it on. That was easy. Now that is on, take this. Try and push it in a little. Lift the pedal with a little bit and push with a thumb. And this might need a little more finagling to push. And there we go. I was simultaneously pulling a little on the parking brake gently and pushing a little bit on the rod, but it doesn't really go in. Also, there was a weird click when I was pressing the parking brake. Hopefully this solved that. Let's see. The most important part is the socks and sandals, of course. Brake is on. Did it work? Did it work? Oh, there we go. No more brake light. High level perspective. And guess what? There's no more click. So, for example, when I was pressing it, there was a weird click going on before. Nothing but smooth operation now.